Welcome to the Django series. Today we will talk about how to create a project and install application in a Django. Here onwards, we focused main project task in Django. Along with, we'll explore the main features of Django. Now starting with the Django project. We know that Django project contains one or more application, which means we can create application under the project folder. So throughout the discussion, I will discuss how to create a project, how to set up a project requirement, and then create application under the project. So one by one, I'll explain the process. So first of all, when you start a project, you need to create a virtual environment because we will use specific Django version for the project. So to create the virtual environment, we need to type a command in a terminal py -m flag virtual environment and name of the virtual environment. After activation of virtual environment, we can install a specific version of Django. So we can type a command pip install Django and we can specify the version name. Once the Django is installed, we can verify that Django is installed or not. Go to the virtual environment, go to the script folder, and you can verify django-admin package is installed in my virtual environment. Now I'm going to create a project under that virtual environment. So to create a project under that virtual environment, the command is django-admin startproject and name of the project. So here I'm going to mention the name of the project is software professional. So I'll create a project, name of the project is software professional. So one folder is created of software professional. Under that, you can find software professional folder, which consists of some set of files. Now I'm going inside that project folder. So software professional, and we'll verify the directory structure. So we'll find the manage.py, that is the project execution file. So we can execute the project with the help of this file. Now next task is to create a small application. So I'll explain this with the help of one example. So let it be, I'll create a file sample.txt, and it consists of my project structure software professional, which consists of one of the application is tester, another application is coder, and one more application is a manager. So one by one, these three applications are to be installed in my project. To create an application under the project, you can type a command in a terminal, python manage.py startapp and name of the application. So name of the application is tester. Once I create the application, one of the folder having name tester is created in my project, which consists of some set of files. I'll explain this file afterwards. Now in the similar way, we can create a multiple application. So to create the next application, folder, you can type the same command, just need to change the name of the application. So second application is coder. So one more folder structure is get created here, folder, which consists of same kind of file that we have created in the tester. These are inbuilt files are created when we create the application. Similar way, we can create this third application, that is a manager. Now in this way, we can create these three applications successfully under the project. Now just to create an application is not enough for Django. You need to install that application in a Django project. So to install the application in a Django project, we need to go into the project folder. So now I'll go to the project folder. I just minimize these applications and go to the project folder. Under the project folder, we can register this all application under the setting file. So just open the setting.py file and you can find the install app. So scroll down that file and go to the install app. Some inbuilt app already there. We need to add the customized application under this installer. So my first application is a tester. Second application is a coder. And third application is a... So one by one, we can install all the application under the setting file. Once all the applications has been installed, now we can execute the project to check whether that app is properly installed or not. So again, I'll execute the command directory, whether that manage.py file in the same folder or not. Yes, we are in the same folder. So to run the project, we can type a command in a terminal, python manage.py run server. So once you execute the command, you will get one URL if all things are working fine. So just copy this URL or double click on that URL. You can redirect to the specific browser. So just type copied this URL and paste it into the browser to check whether the project is working fine or not. So my applications are created and also installed in the Django project. So I'll stop the execution of project. So in this way, we can create a virtual environment, then we'll create a project, then we'll create a 3 application under the project. Also, we install that application in a Django project. Now in the next video, I'll explore this each and every application and the content of that application.